Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 only works when plugged in, you're likely facing an issue with the battery or the charging port. This can happen due to wear and tear over time or a faulty component. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To fix this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the Acer N19H2. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once opened, you'll see the battery and the charging port. The likely culprit here is the battery itself. It can be found secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, remembering to keep them safe for reassembly. As you lift the battery out, be cautious of any cables connected to the motherboard. Gently disconnect these cables, ensuring you do not pull too hard as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it sits snugly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are secure. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the battery in place. Once everything is secured, carefully snap the back cover back onto the device. Finally, plug your laptop in and power it on. If the device turns on and operates without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check your device's battery health and avoid letting it drain completely too often. Keeping your device clean and dust-free can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.